Kwasetshenziswa imali engu-246 million wamarandi ukulungisa umuzi kaMengameli ngokwemibiko. Umuzi lo senkandla esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal. Namhlanje inkantolo yomthethosisekelo ithola ukuthi ke uMengameli wahluleka ukuhlonipha wona kumthethosisekelo ngesikhathi eshaya indiva izincomo zomvikelo womphakathi malungana nalolu daba. Inkantolo le ibesithola ukuthi uMengameli wephula umthetho ngesikhathi ehluleka ukulalela imbiko kaMadonsela. uMengameli kuyomela akhokhe imali zingakapheli insuku ezingu-45 ngemva kuba esetsheliwe ukuthi kumele ayikhokhe. Esinqumeni esimenyezelwe inhloko yamajaji uJustice Mogoeng, inkantolo iyalela ukuba ke umgcini mafakazi lonke kube nguye osho ukuthi uMengameli ukhokha malini zingakapheli izinsuku ezingu-60 isinqumo lesi siphumile.
The president thus failed to uphold, defend and respect the Constitution as the supreme law of the land. This failure is manifest from the substantial disregard for the remedial action taken against him by the public protector in terms of her constitutional powers. The second